Hey guys, guess where I am again? Dollar General. Instagram chose which haul you wanted to see. It was between Dollar General and Daiso. Dollar General won the popular vote. So let's go in here and see what they got. And of course, you know I'm gonna see if they've got any new romance novels that's gonna send me into a tailspin. I would get this if they didn't have this like metallic thing there. Honestly, I could probably paint over it, but wow, that is so cute. Ooh, look at these. These are so nice. I could see like getting these for like Micah's apartment when she gets one. Oh, those are so nice. I feel like they're like a dupe to, I don't want to say Anthropologie, but they might be an Anthropologie dupe. Y'all, I went in there hungry. So just keep that in mind when I show you this haul. It's a little bright where I've parked, so I don't know if I'm gonna throw my sunglasses back on. But yeah, I went in here hungry. I spent, okay, well, I'm confused actually. Does it say $52.99 at 8.25% tax, but my total was $82.26. What the hell's going on here? I'm gonna need to total this later. Something about this doesn't feel quite right. I'm sorry you're watching me be confused. I'm gonna have to figure that out, so I'm gonna throw up on the screen if the total of $82.26 was in fact correct, because I just don't understand. Is that my total? And then how does $4.37, that's the 8% tax on this amount, how does that total to $82.26? I've been bamboozled. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got. I feel like I'm gonna need to total this right now, so I'll be right back. Okay, anyways, I totaled it up and it was like $70-something, $76, but I guess I'd have to do the math on 8.25%. I just added the 4. Who cares? I think it's right, is the point, okay? It's right. But yeah, I walked in there super hungry and I walked away with this. Don't know why. These are my favorites. I love barbecue chips. I cannot escape them. And then I got, I hope this is sealed right. This is the Pine Glow, and this is in Twisty Appleberry. Sorry, but the sun is like coming in here. But yeah, Twisty Appleberry. And even though it's sealed, I could still somewhat like smell it, and it smells good. Like, this makes me want to clean and want to do my floors. It's that good of a scent. So, okay, so there's that. Now remember, I prefaced and told you guys I was hungry. So keep that in mind when I show you a box of cake. God, I want this so bad. This is a cookie brownie bars mix, but let me put y'all on something if you don't know. Domino's. I don't know how more people don't know about this, but Domino's sells the most insane brownie ever. And it's like a blondie and brownie together. But the brownie thing they make is literally out of this world to me. I don't even know if like 5-star restaurants could make a brownie blondie whatever like Domino's and be better than them. So there's that. And then I got these. Honestly, the packaging and this concept is what sold me, because I passed down the aisle of like the regular thing of Chips Ahoy, but then I saw this one, which is like, they're calling it Fresh Stacks. So I guess it's, let's look at it. Oh, it's so that you don't open up a whole thing and it goes stale, but you know, you don't get very many cookies in here. Chips Ahoy does something to me when I see them. When I really started to go down the journey of my stomach, I really lost myself a lot before I moved to Florida. After losing Loxy, my stomach was just honestly at its worst. And when I look at Chips Ahoy, it reminds me of when I completely drastically changed my diet. All I was eating was my yogurt bowl, and it would keep me full all day, and then around 4 o'clock I would just have Chips Ahoy, and that was it. I didn't have any dinner, I didn't have anything, and I know that's not healthy, but it healed my stomach. Like, my stomach just needed a break from all the food. And anyways, when I look at these, I honestly get good memories of them. And then I got these. I love the white cheddar Cheez-Its. I told you I was hungry. I'm still starving. I'm gonna try to blow through this hole now at this point, because I've got to get me some food. I got these little napkins. I don't know how much these rang up, but they gave Lisa Frank vibes, and you guys know I want to do a Lisa Frank junk journal. I did find some books. We'll read them here in a second. We'll save those for last because they're a doozy. If you're new to my channel, you haven't watched any of my Dollar General hauls, lately I've been hauling these books and reading them out loud to you. And it's really hard for me to do because I feel I get secondhand embarrassment. Then I found these little Peeps light up necklace. They ring up $1, and they're gonna be cute for the Easter baskets for the kids. Of course, I'm gonna try to turn them into charms or something for junk journaling one day. Maybe, maybe not. But I just wanted to go ahead and grab them because they were so cheap. Then I got these little like scent things. So this one's a mango by Wizard. This brand is at Dollar Tree as well. Mango peach, actually. And this is strawberries and cream. I'm really excited for the strawberries and cream. I can't open it in the store, so I really have no clue what it smells like. Then I got the Wizard. What is leaking? Oh my lord, just stuff is constantly leaking, and is it this? Oh, it is this. This is the Wizard Cupcake Vanilla whatever, but it's gotta go. Like, I can smell like the alcohol in it. I also got these 2 little face washes. I actually usually buy like the Walmart brand of these, and honestly, to me, it does the same thing. It has the same ingredients, so I never really pull for the main big brand, CeraVe, but just FYI, this is such a good skincare brand in my opinion, or at least my skin loves it, but I do get the Equate version from Walmart. I'm very excited about this candle. Look at her. She's 3 different layers. They also had like a lemon and like blueberry stack. I almost got it, but then I saw this one. I believe this rang up $7. This has my name all over it because it has vanilla and coconut, and that is just me to a T. Tahitian vanilla is this first layer. When you burn into the second, that's vanilla sugar. And when you burn into the bottom, it's coconut vanilla. So I am so excited to burn that. I'm probably gonna put that one in my bedroom. My hands are sticky from that. Okay, then in this bag, I got a bunch of candies. The Haribo Easter ones, Happy Chicks and Happy Hoppers. I don't know how they do it, but each bag has a different taste. Like, you would think looking at this that all the gummies would taste the same kind of, but no, they're so uniquely different and so good. My favorite gummy bear brand. Then I got this one just because I thought it was really cute. It would be darling like in a spring coffee bar. It's just a big marshmallow lollipop. Cottontail Pop is what it's called. It was $1, so I got it. Then I got these. I got these from Micah's Easter basket. She loves the Ghirardelli caramels, and it's the little Easter edition with the bunnies. So I'm gonna add that into her Easter basket. And things I've never purchased before a day in my life. Again, I was hungry and I was in the mood to like try different things. French onion dip and smooth ranch dip. I know this has been around for eons, and I'm just now on this earth telling you I'm gonna try this for the first time. I am aware of that. I mean, I don't think it gets more American than a French onion dip. Okay, but listen, I'm trying it now. Then I got this, and honestly it was like $4.50, but I have to admit I got it for the packaging. I thought the packaging was super cute, so do what you will with that information. This was so adorable to me. They rang up 33 cents. It's like a very tiny version of Micanites, which I love this. It's like candy on a gum level. You know how gum is packaged small like this and you can fit it into your purse? You can't fit a whole box of candy into your purse. I think this is actually a genius concept, and I wish we could see more of stuff like this. Like, look at that, just cute little boxes, throw them in your purse. It's like a little candy, you know, that you might need or whatever. And then this one, you already know, straight up got it for junk journaling. The little crayon boxes, but it's like bubble gum. But I'm gonna be crafting with the box. I just thought that was the cutest thing. This is the most paper pippy thing I've ever seen being out and about, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put these up, and now we're gonna read these novels because I gotta go shove my face with food because I'm so freaking hungry. Okay. Oh my gosh, there is just everything is leaking, or that thing leaked all over. Okay. I'm gonna let the camera roll today. I got a headache from, we got this like freaking dust storm in DFW, and it's just, and then I think it's caused like, I don't know, a sinus pressure or something in me. Okay, here are the books. Let's see. Why do I do this? Okay. This one, $3. It is love inspired. I don't know what company that is. It's called Her Chance at Family. Her Chance at Family? Shouldn't that say Her Chance at a Family? Her Chance at Family? Getting Left at the Altar. Okay, it starts off hard. Getting Left at the Altar wasn't in Elisa Hartley's planner. I bet it wasn't. Yeah. But neither was gaining custody of her 2 orphan nieces. Determined to be the best guardian possible, Elisa moves them into a newly renovated house. When landscape architect Sean Peters arrives to fix up her yard, he might just be able to heal her heart too, except Sean's got a secret, and revealing it could throw a wrench in their happily ever after. What's the secret? That's why I got it. What is Sean's secret? What if she doesn't know him, and she moves her 2 nieces and her into a newly renovated house? She gets a landscape architect. She does not know this man. Why could his secret throw a wrench in her plans? I gotta know what that secret is. Because listen, she's already been left at the altar. You need to chill with whatever your secret is. So I just have a feeling that might make me mad reading it, but I'm gonna read it nonetheless. Then I found this one. The Chihuahua is sending me into a tailspin. Murder can come. I literally don't know what the title of this is. Let me see what it says. If it's right here. Murder can confuse your Chihuahua. I I bet murder can confuse, I don't know, anyone. Celeste Cabot has a flair for painting and a touch of paranormal talent too. She's just arrived to sell her artwork at a big craft fair in North Carolina, complete with rides, games, and deep fried everything. But the sunny landscape takes on a darker hue, and her chihuahua, Van Gogh, leads her to the riverbank and to a body that was definitely not part of her design. With help from a handsome fellow artist, Celeste sets out to draw the brazen killer onto her canvas. I have something to tell y'all about this. Hang on. She'll need to balance the victim's past, a suspected love triangle, and a long ago accident, and also consult with a medium and a spirit to try to paint a murderous fiend into a corner. Okay. Do what you will with this information, but this oddly sounds just like a conspiracy theory that I watched the other day on TikTok about somebody who uncovered some information, or I don't know. Again, I'm not making any claims here, but that our beloved Bob Ross would paint that basically he was murdering people and that his paintings were of where he buried his victims. And the reason why this has become a widely believed conspiracy is because all of the scenes that he's painted, most of them, I don't know if any of the other paintings have been uncovered, but quite a few of what he's painted, a body has been found in that actual scene. But I don't even know if there's any depth or truth to any of this. I really don't want to believe that about Bob Ross, but how wild would that be if that was true? And this book, she's literally going to paint the crime scene with her chihuahua who's confused. Okay. This one is called Smitten by the Brit. Smitten by the Brit. English professor Bonnie Blythe expects her life to play out like her favorite novels. Yeah, we all do. That's why we read these. So we can escape into the world we all deserve to be in. Instead, we're out here fighting for our lives. I don't think I should. English professor Bonnie Blythe expects her life to play out like her favorite novels, especially now that her long-term boyfriend has finally proposed. So when a shocking discovery leads Bonnie to end her engagement, does it? She decides to close the book on love, but the plot thickens with a brand new character enters the scene and quickens Bonnie's heart. Or love, actually. With his brilliant blue eyes, sexy accent, and irresistible charm, Theo Wharton is like a romantic hero straight out of a Jane Austen novel. When fate places Bonnie in England for a summer, conveniently close to Theo, she realizes a hot friends with benefits fling is exactly what she needs to start a fresh chapter. Just as Bonnie begins to believe she's falling in love, an eye-opening revelation in Theo's life makes Bonnie feel like she's wandered into one of her favorite books. Will Bonnie have the courage to risk her heart and turn the page with a dashing Brit to find her true happy ending after all? American ladies, I would just like to say this is probably where the secret sauce is. We need to look overseas over all the tea that was spilt for our man. Okay, I think I need food. I don't know if I just got really bitter there, but I think I need food. That's my haul for today. God give me the strength to post it, because I feel like I was a little hangry. I was hangry, okay? I'll admit. Anyways, that is my Dollar General haul. Thank you to Instagram who voted to have this haul, and I'll see you next time. Bye.